Hey everyone. This guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete or remove an email campaign in HubSpot using the full 2026 layout. This is useful when you accidentally create a test email, duplicate a campaign, or simply want to clean up your marketing dashboard. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click log in, and sign into your account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. From the top navigation bar, click Marketing and then choose Email. This opens the full list of all your draft, scheduled, and sent email campaigns. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly locate the email campaign you want to delete. Once you find the email, hover over it and look to the far right side. Click the Actions drop-down menu. From the menu, choose Delete. HubSpot will immediately show you a confirmation message to make sure you really want to remove the campaign. Click Delete again to confirm. As soon as you do this, the email campaign is permanently removed from your account. It cannot be recovered later, so always double check before confirming. Now here's something important to know. If the email has already been sent, HubSpot will not allow complete deletion. This is because the performance data must remain for reporting and compliance. When this happens, you'll see an archive option instead of delete. If you want to clean up your view, simply click Actions and choose Archive. This hides the email from your default dashboard while still keeping the analytics stored inside HubSpot if you ever need them again. Deleting and archiving are both great ways to keep your email workspace organized, especially if you test campaigns often or work on multiple drafts. And that's it. That's how to delete or remove a HubSpot email campaign using the 2026 setup. It's a quick cleanup step that makes your marketing tools easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.